Hi, beautiful people. My name is Purity Ivy, and this is
I'm
Purity's
working from
Place.
home, so join me as I prepare for work.
Content creating has really been a thing for me, but I have really been scared of starting. Basically, scared of the unknown, scared of not being enough, scared of what people will say, scared of just. And most times, I just want to be another person. I have tried several times, but I see myself running back to being another person and not truly being myself. But at this point, I am super happy that I have taken this bold step to just be me, to enjoy being me, and watch where this takes me to. I really love what I'm doing, and I know that this will take me to a greater height. Um, so this is me practically being me and enjoying this process as I go through. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.